How to add search bar in WordPress Elementor. So the first thing that we want to do is log in into Elementor here and find our website. Now, once we have the preview of our website here, I'll simply click on Edit with Elementor, and this is going to load up a new page of our website editor. And the thing that we want to do is use the search bar here to search for search. I know it kind of is repetitive, but we have to get this search form. So what we can do is just drag and drop it onto this section here, or we can just click on it and it's going to automatically be added. Now, what we have to do here is we can click on the search bar itself, and we can style or change the style of the search bar itself. So for example, we can do minimal or full screen search bar here. I'm going to leave it as the classic, and we can type out text here that appears. So for example, we can do "What are you searching for?" right here, and we can also do icon or text. So as you can see, this changes, so we can change it to text as well, and we can change the text itself. So for example, find this. As you can see, it changes the text that is displayed, and we can go back to icon here because I like it more. We can also change the style of itself, so we can do text, or if we click on the pencil icon here, we can change the font. So we can change the font that is displayed on our search bar. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back to the custom one here, and we can also change the background color here. So we can change primary color. As you can see, this changes the whole search bar's color, and also we can play around with box shadows here and the border color and the border radius. And if we go to the advanced settings here, we can just adjust the lining for the entire search bar. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.